Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Bluesky account. You can do this on both web version and the app itself, and the steps are similar. So go ahead and log into your Bluesky account. And once you're in here, go ahead over to settings. Now, in here, just go ahead and click on account. And as you can see here, you'll be able to see at the bottom, delete account or deactivate account. Well, it's up to you if you just want to deactivate your account or completely remove it. Now, as the title suggests, we would want to delete our account. I'm just going to click on it. And as you can see here, delete account. For security reasons, we'll need to send a confirmation code to your email address. And as you can see here, there's a quick note. You can also temporarily deactivate your account instead and reactivate it at any time. Now, I'm just going to hit on send email right here because I'm sure that I want to delete this particular account. All right. Now, what we're going to do next is just go ahead and go to our emailing service, which is at Gmail, because I'm using Gmail for this account. Now, in your Gmail, you should be able to see the same set of email. All right. As you can see here, you'll be given a code or a unique ID. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and double click on this one, hit on copy, go back to Bluesky, paste that confirmation right here or the confirmation code. Then I'm going to hit on my password, then simply hit on delete my account. As you can see here, as easy as that, you just deleted your Bluesky account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.